I believe at one point or the other, you will have come across research paper like this that has an output of bibliometric analysis, something like this. You can easily do this or come up with diagram like this, analysis like this, with as simple as just writing 2 lines or 3 lines of code using R Studio. So all you just need to do is to come to your R Studio. If you don't have it, you can install it. And the first thing you need to do is to install the package you are going to be using. And once you are done installing it, every other thing will be on a web interface. So you just need to say install. If you don't have it, if you have it, you can just skip this step. So you can say install and you just say Bibliometrix. So I have it installed already, but if you don't have it, you can just press command enter or control enter. So after you have been able to do that, you then go ahead to call the library, which is the same as this package. So once you have done that, you then call the function, and that will be it. So Biblioshiny. So let's run it now. So you come to the first line. If you have not run it, you come to the first line, you press command enter, or easily you can just put your cursor here and then press run. You come to the next line, you press run. I've already have it installed already. So from there, I'll press run here, and while we wait for it to load, we then go ahead to either Scopus or Web of Science. Scopus, I'm going to be using Scopus in this analysis. So you come to your Scopus, then you then enter your keywords. The keyword I want to, maybe you want to check what the application of machine learning in supply chain management. Machine learning as a keyword together with supply chain management. Maybe I'm that. Then I will then come and search. So once I search, you can see that I have 986 document font. You can change the word, depends on you. So once I have that, I will select all. I'll make sure all is selected, then I will export it. So I will export it as CSV. I will ensure that all these are marked. Then I will go ahead to export it. Then you then come to the tab that has opened after you have run the Biblioshiny function. So once you are here, you see the sidebar. You will then come to data. Under data, you click on import or load. So once you click on import or load, you'll see the first option here, which is asking load bibliometrics, use a sample collection. You're going to select import raw file. So after you have selected import raw file, you select the database you are using. In our case, we are using Scopus. So I'll select Scopus. Then I will then click on choose a file. So once you select choose a file, it will take you to the folder where you save it on your laptop. Then you can then select it. The file on my laptop, on my system. So I'll click on it and then open it. So once I open it, I will then click on start. So once you have been able to upload it, then you'll be able to analyze your data without any stress. This is where you'll be doing everything, and once you see any output you would like to put inside your research paper, then you just download it directly from this place. Successfully upload our data set to Bibliometrix. So you can see it gives you the summary of what you have uploaded. If you need this for your analysis, you can just go ahead to click on save. It has saved in my download folder. So I'll close it. Now after I have been able to upload my file, then I'll come here from the filters. Maybe you can see we have some languages that is not English, so you can decide to remove it by clicking on delete. Click on Chinese, delete. Click on German, delete. If you want to remove book chapter, you want to remove book, you can easily remove them here. If you want to remove those that has been retracted, you can easily click on it, then delete it. Click on it, then delete. Every other thing, illustration, I'm going to leave it there. So once I've been able to delete what that I need to delete, then I'll then click on apply. So once I click on apply, then every other thing will be deleted, and I will have what I need. So I will then come to overview. This is where your analysis now starts. You can just check, like there's quite a lot of things for you. You can see my data set is from 2000 to 2004. I have 249 sources, the document, the annual growth rate, plots, which you can also put. So once you click on it, if it does not show by default, all you just need to do is just click on display. So once you click on display, you definitely see it come up, though this looks a bit closed up. Now this CR means cited references, this AU is author, and this DE means that the keywords. Now if you look at this and you want to download it as picture for you to put it in your bibliometric analysis, depends on if you are in this domain, you definitely know how to interpret this better. You can just come here and click on export plot as PNG. So once you click on export plot as PNG, you then save possibly in your download folder. You can see this is like the journal output, most relevant author. If you want to see who is doing a great job in that domain, you can see this particular person with 4 different documents in the machine learning and supply chain management field. And you see the countries. You can see. So if you want to see it as a table, you can also show it as a table, where word cloud, which you always see in also research output too, this can also help you to generate it. You can see now the co-occurrence network, which is what we saw at the beginning of this video. You can see this can easily put in your output. You can see decision support, decision making competition with your web interface. You can easily click on what you need and it will give you what you need without any stress. You can see food safety, food quality,